What's up, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTN HD, and today we're going to do a cool little trick with Windows 10. Now, I'm always constantly getting inside the Settings app. So to get into the Settings app, you can either click on your notification center, go to All Settings, and then go to wherever you want to go. Or you can click on your Start, and then you click on the little gear here to go to Settings and do it that way. I wanted to find a simple way to do this. Why not do it with the right click? I can right click on the desktop and then pick Settings app and then pick whatever choice I want. Now, there is a registry hack that allows you to do this. I will provide this particular file at the bottom of the video so you guys can get a copy and just do what you need to do. So I'm going to right click on this particular file and click on Edit, because this is all the goodness that's going to happen when you double click on it. The main hive that it's going to attach itself is inside the current user. So this is based on individual users that are logged into the computer, okay? If you look at the registry hack, it looks like it's going to add the display, the devices, the Bluetooth, network and internet, all the basic things that you will normally see if you go to Notification Center, All Settings, and there you go. So I'm going to close this up and I'm going to double click on it. You're going to get the nice user account control. Just click on yes. And it's going to add all the information. So just click yes. All the keys within the registry hack has been successfully added to the registry, which is great. Let's click on OK. I don't think you need to restart your machine. So let's right click on the desktop. And there goes our settings. And then when you highlight settings, that's it. How awesome is that? So let's test it out. Let's go inside Network and Internet, and it opens up Network and Internet. And that's it. I will provide the reg hack file or the link at the bottom of the video at the description so you guys can download it, get a copy for yourself, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.